Are your clients stopping you from getting to the project deadline on time? How would you like to get to the deadline weeks before the due date? Sounds like a dream, right? This is what I call hyper-systemization. Stick with me and I'll show you exactly how it works. Hyper-systemization is the process of removing all of the friction points, the complication, and the procrastination from your website project delivery, so that you and the client both have all of the clarity that you need to get the job done. My name is Vito, and I started my journey as a freelancer before building an agency here in London, delivering more than 800 websites throughout my career. Personally, I loved the creative process of building a website, and as I was starting initially, everything was awesome. But as I started to grow and take on more work, I started dealing with missed deadlines, clients that were reaching out to me at nights and over the weekends. And as I started growing my team, everything had to go through me. And honestly, I convinced myself that I'm there to make sure that everything is running smoothly. But actually, I was holding my business back and I was trying to juggle way too many things at once, which was extremely stressful at the time. But I kept trying and I wasted loads of time in face-to-face meeting and Zoom calls, trying to get them to deliver the content on time, to approve the designs with quality, but also just to understand what they meant on that last email that they sent over. Now I know, and I'm sure that you'd agree, that if you were to build a small business website on your own without a client, that'll probably take me between 3 to 5 days. But as soon as a client gets involved, this becomes a 4 to 6 weeks project, or even more if they don't do what is asked of them. Then I realized that I was trying to solve my own challenge through all of these methods, but I wasn't trying to solve the client's challenges. I was throwing multiple tools at the problem, ended up just overwhelming them even more instead of trying to simplify the process and creating a unified experience that just made sense to them. So that's when I turned to my team and I asked them, what if we can get the client to just point at anything on the website itself and let us know what's up? Basically trying to give them an extremely easy experience while we in the background would collect all of the things that will give us the clarity to get the job done and reduce those back and forths to zero. So this way they can just point at the screen and tell us what the text should be here, what the image should be there, when we're gathering the content, when we're approving the design and they need some kind of a mechanism to give us the feedback that we need, or even on the support when they have an issue with anything on their website. So having something like that hyper-systemized our delivery process. And as I mentioned, we were removing or smoothing all of the different friction points, the complexity and the procrastination from the website project delivery. And this is exactly what we did. Over the past few years, my team and I have helped thousands of agencies and freelancers to hyper-systemize their workflow with hundreds of thousands of their clients. This is what we did for Tatiana from Height Creative, a very successful agency that went from an average project completion of 3 months down to just 1 month. Or George that works as a freelancer that went from an average of 5 weeks down to just 10 days. This is all while keeping their prices or even raising them while freeing up months of profitability for their businesses. With this impact, we started getting recommended by some of the top leaders in our community as a groundbreaking way of collaborating with clients and delivering website projects. So how does Atarim hyper-systemizes website project delivery? Well, I invested hundreds of thousands of dollars to create the most advanced website collaboration system on the planet, which is funny because it's the easiest one for clients to use. My team and I investigated every click, back and forth email, and redundant step of delivering websites to clients and systemized it or completely automated this for you. Now, Atarim has 2 sides to it. We have the client's interface plugin that you install on each of your clients' websites that allows them to interact with it like never before. Just like pointing at the screen and telling what's up. Grabbing some essential information that you would need, like the exact location of the request, the screen size and the browser, and even an automated screenshot that marks the exact section in discussion. But the real magic happens in the agency dashboard. This is where you and your team work. The inbox is designed for rapid task handling with all the information that you need waiting for you just there. You can track your time and generate branded timesheets and get paid accurately for the work that you do. If you get an image from a client, you can click one button that will automatically minify the image for web and push it into the relevant media folder within the website itself. This is instead of logging into Dropbox, downloading the image to your computer, taking it to Tiny PNG or Photoshop, optimizing it over there, downloading it again to your computer, then going to the website just to upload the image. With us, it's one click. And this is just one example of more than 100 small and big tools that help you systemize your project delivery every single day. Now, this sounds awesome, right? But there is a catch here. In order for our system to give you the results that other agencies are experiencing, you have to put in the initial work of implementing a new system within your business. The difference is that this time, instead of taking the hard way of trial and error trying to build your own system that will probably not be amazing, you can rely on a proven system that is already working for thousands of others that are exactly in your position. It's not a generic project management system or support desk that is trying to serve everyone. This is a dedicated system that was specifically designed for your exact use case. Now, we're not stopping there, because I understand that having the system without having the knowledge behind this is just not going to give you the same amazing results that I want to get for you. So we have some incredible bonuses that will help you get started rapidly. The first thing is we're going to give you the discovery session templates. This is going to give you and your team all the information that you need before you start the project, eliminating scope creep and allowing you to properly price your work. And you're also going to get the wireframing templates that we created for every page builder on the market. This is going to allow you to clearly communicate your vision within minutes, as well as allowing the client to provide the content within context for the first time ever, so much that they will enjoy giving you the content that you need for the project. And then we're also going to include 20 plus must-use web agency email templates that goes hand in hand with our brand new support desk that is built into the Atarim platform. For every scenario that you will face through your growth journey, you have a template that you can copy and paste and send to your clients. Now, if for some reason, as you implement within the first 30 days and you're not getting the same results as thousands of other agencies, we're going to give you two options. We'll get you on a call with one of our agency experts to make sure that you're getting the results that you deserve, reducing weeks, literally weeks, from every website project that you're delivering to clients. Or, if you choose, we're gonna give you 100% of your money back. You don't wanna miss out, not only on the deal, but more importantly on the results that is gonna help you double and triple your and your team's productivity and profitability over the upcoming year. Just like how Andrew used our platform to double his revenue without hiring any additional team members and 10x'd his agency's profitability by reducing the average project from 3 weeks to 3 days. Or Chuck, that delivered projects twice as fast without speaking to his clients at all. Or Alan, that reduced the time that it takes him to deal with tasks to just a third within 1 week after joining our system. He literally dropped 75% of the day-to-day time that it took him to manage the exact same work just a week before that. Now, you already know that this works, so just click the button and let's get started right now. You're going to save money, you're going to get extra value if you buy right now, and there's a guarantee, so there's no risk whatsoever. And of course, there's loads and loads and loads of proof that what I'm saying is true and that this system works. And if you decide to not take action now, you're just gonna get the same mediocre results that the rest of the industry is getting, which is low profit margins, lagging projects, annoying clients, and a whole bunch of stress day to day. And believe me, I was there for years before we got this solution, and I don't want this happening to you. So take action today and join us with Atarim.